In this video, we're covering the removal and replacement of the thermostatic cartridge on Insignia showers. For this, you will need a small flat-headed screwdriver, a pair of pump pliers, and a 2.5mm Allen key. The first step when undertaking any maintenance on your shower is isolating your water supply. To begin, push down on the cylinder and turn the dial anti-clockwise as far as it will go. Next, remove the grommet using a flat-headed screwdriver, then insert your Allen key and loosen the internal screw by about 1/4 of a turn. Turn the chrome knob clockwise until the cylinder is pointing at 12 o'clock and remove it. Then take off the G-shaped safety lock ring. Now take the pump pliers and use them to unscrew the thermostatic cartridge. To replace, simply screw in the cartridge and tighten with your pump pliers and ensure the blue markings line up with 38 degrees. Replace the safety lock ring, ensuring the top of the G aligns with 38 degrees. Slide the chrome dial back on, press in the cylinder and turn anti-clockwise. Tighten the chrome dial using the Allen key and finally replace the grommet.